miss this saw. I built this garage with this saw. So why am I getting rid of it? Well, I don't know. I guess it's just convenience of use. Bit unsafe. Had a couple close calls with this one. Don't have quite the range I could get with the new miter saw. Don't have the depth of cut that I could have with the new miter saw, with a 12-inch miter saw, which is what I'm replacing it with. So after having the Rage saw, I find that the cuts with that are just much more convenient. The ability to set an angle, bring it right back to zero. It's just nice. When I set this to an angle, I feel compelled to leave it there for a while because it just takes a little bit more setup. So like I said, it's been a great saw. Very happy with this saw. I'm lucky to have had this saw. But it's time to move on. The next thing I'm going to need to do is redo this whole thing. I kind of did this quickly to accommodate the Rage saw, and I got the Rage saw pretty well set up. The important thing is that this base is fixed to that cabinet. It's also fixed to this base, but this base is independent of that one, which means the two can move. And just a little bit of movement like that means that I'm not effectively using my fence. So what needs to happen is this platform needs to be solid and connected to both bases, effectively integrating the entirety of this miter saw station, which has really just been a hodgepodge of connecting these two cabinets. I built each of these cabinets at the same time with the intent of using them as kind of a miter saw station, well, for a radial arm saw station, but I never really tied them all together. I've been getting away with my fence system, having it like it is, but now it's time to just tie it all together. It really doesn't take that much more work to do that. I can use that same cabinet as a base, probably center it, and then all I need is a piece of plywood. And the next thing I would really like to do is make a dust shroud here.
this is your first time to my channel, check out my other videos. If you like them, hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe. I'm glad that you came and visited. I'm privileged to have you watch the videos, and please come back soon. Thanks.